Want to personalize your Windows 10 PC by changing your account profile picture? Here is how to update your account picture in just a few clicks using Windows settings. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and select the gear-shaped Settings icon. In the Settings window, click on Accounts. Make sure you are on the Your Info tab in the left-hand menu. Under the Create Your Picture section, you'll see two options. If you want to take a new photo right now using your computer's webcam, click on Camera, take your photo, and save it. If you want to use an existing image saved on your PC, click on Browse for one. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the photo you want to use, and click Choose Picture. Windows will immediately update your user account photo, and you'll see it appear on your Start menu and Login screen. If this quick Windows guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech tutorials.